pray, challenge accepted. Jo, do kabudlay sang lead by example as you pray kanina. Pero honestly speaking, in my own way, dugay ko na siya pinapractice ang leading by example. Leadership is the ability of an individual or a group of people to influence and guide followers or members of an organization, society, or team. Leadership often is an attribute tied to a person's title, seniority, or ranking in the hierarchy. Maayong aga sa tanan, labi na gid sa atong kinilangga ng SB member, the Municipality of Bataten, Honorable Nonito J.R. Pasuelo Jr. Mapasalamat ako sa advancer sa inyong mga proposals regarding sa atong tawag na Teachers Day or dungog para sa atong mga teachers. Sir Andre Vicelis, the Superman of the district, sa aton very dedicated, outgoing PESTAP 1 President, and officers lead by our very own Mrs. Rosel L. Grito Guanco, to our Principal 2, Ma'am Victoria Celis, and of course to our ex-officios, Sir Greg Diego, Ma'am Susan Espinosa, and our retired district supervisor, Mrs. Melita P. Elizan, and all the school heads of Bataten 1, to the newly elected officers of PESTAP 1, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all.
Morning!
Being PESTAP 1 President is both an honor and responsibility. Open close parenthesis, insert P awards back. First of all, I would like to thank to those teachers who voted me my full supporters. From Gibuan Elementary School, from a teacher, from Caroline Joy, Kerubin, Rizel Pamatian, Dayan De Los Reyes, Perla Balinsoy, Jeremy Parcon, Girly Rubrico, Gumban, Ma'am Jeanine Bolivar, and to one of our PSP teachers in the Bataten 1, Alea Linizo. Thank you for supporting me. And of course, I would like also to thank the schools from Hamabalot Elementary School, Edmondo Dayot Memorial Elementary School, Tuburan Elementary School, Doña Trinidad Elementary School, and some of my friends in other schools. Ma'am Bing, our PESTAP President, nga nagpasa sa akon, Ma'am Usal Guanco, thank you so much. Of course, to Jason Oscares, Wiley Bagging, and Fatima Rachel Paez, thank you guys for believing in my capacity to run the association of the schools district of Bataten 1. Lastly, to our Almighty Lord for giving a wonderful gift of life. Nawahibig daw ka mo. I know that being a leader is not an easy job. I already anticipated lots of emergencies, funds and payments to be collected, and of course, the collectibles. And most of all, ang mga reklamas nga aton atubangon. Kag isa pa, no additional compensation, only a pure service. Madam President, Rosel L. Guanco is one of the best presidents of the PESTAP of Bataten 1. Hindi maasi-asi ang ana nga mga ginobra for her term, hindi mabakang-bang. And I'm very proud kay sa tanan nga mando niya, the Gibuan Elementary School, nag-support gid kami. And that is sa tanan nga mga programs. Because it is our obligation being a member of the association to support the proposals and projects of the PESTAP 1. Hindi ka masakit inarte, kaya nagmaestro ikaw, nagsulod ikaw sa asosasyon. Hindi sa ka reklamo. And I remember those days na naghambal si Sir Tronco, na formerly district supervisor ng Bataten 1, and I called na naghambal siya na ang organisasyon o asosasyon hindi mag-grow, hindi mag-prosper kung puro lang dili. Everyone says no, everyone na hindi ka uyon. Hindi mag-prosper. And he also mentioned, kung maghalalin sila, by ida sila. Bisan pulo na lang kita mapili nga membro, buhion ta. Sino nakadumdom? Siyempre, wala ka muna nakadumdom. Kaya man ang ka anesthesia. Ako lang wala yung anesthesia. It was also emphasized by Ma'am Milita Piilizan that it's better to give than to receive. Ma'am, di ba, na-mention mo na siya for me? Every time may aramutan, amo na siya na-mention ni Ma'am Kanamon, kamo na lang nga hatag sa meaning. To all the people who are here today, the outgoing officers, congratulations for the job well done. Rest assured that we will do our best for the betterment of the association. This marks the history. Congratulations, Best Up 1 officers. Before I end, I would like to share the 8 painful truths of life. Are you willing to listen? Whether you like it or not, I'm going to state. This is the 8 painful truths of life. 1. Nobody is real in this world. Everybody has a dual face. 2. People respect money, not the person. 3. The person you love the most will hurt you the most. 4. In life, 2 defines you. Your patience when you have nothing, and your attitude when you have everything. 5. People like goods. People like good looks, not good thoughts. 6. The first failure slaps you in public, then success hugs you in private. 7. Trust means everything, but once it's broken, sorry means nothing. 8. And the final word is, when money speaks, nobody checks the grammar. Very self-explanatory. The newly elected Best Up 1 officers, congratulations. Kakayanin natin to, because I know we can do it. For the will of the association, let's help one another and do our share. Because, my co-officers, you are all the wind beneath my wings. I fully accept the challenge, sir. This is Cyril J. Doco, your Best Up 1 President, signing in.